Hi. Now we will talk about how to adjust the position of the watch hand. For first we need to test that the stopwatch function is working. Okay, great, it has worked properly. But if your big second hand position is not correct, then follow the next steps to adjust it. First of all, you should pull crown out to the second position where the crown has reached the limit. Then you should press and hold both buttons at the same time, and big second hand will start to rotate. Then press top button for a few seconds to approach the second hand to correct position. Then start to press top button in single clicks to reach the correct position of the second hand, and push the crown back to the original position. Adjusting is finally completed. Then press the stopwatch function again to see whether it works.
Great job.
Thank you.